Hello and welcome everyone! Today we're flipping out over fluffy pancakes that are quick, easy, and most importantly, stacktastic. Let's get started on making these delicious pancakes that will make your taste buds jump for joy. For our pancakes, we are going to need the following ingredients. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, melted, and optionally 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now let's get started on our pancakes. First we are going to whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt in a large bowl or measuring cup. In a separate bowl, beat the egg with the sugar, and then whisk in the milk. If you're using the optional vanilla, add it now as well. Then we're going to pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and whisk until it is just combined. It's important to not overmix the batter as this can make the pancakes tough. Once mixed, gently fold in the melted butter. If the batter ends up too thick, you can add an extra splash of milk to make it easier to work with. Next, we are going to heat a large skillet over medium heat, and if needed, lightly grease it with oil or butter. We're going to pour 1/4 cup of batter onto the skillet for each pancake, and cook until bubbles form on the surface and the edges are slightly dry. This should take about 2 minutes. Once the pancake is ready, we are going to flip it. I like to gently press down on the top of it with a spatula to even out the thickness. Then we cook it until this side is golden brown. This should also take about 2 minutes. And here we have the finished pancakes. When it's time to serve our pancakes, you can top them with your choice of toppings, such as butter, syrup, or like I am, strawberries and whipped cream. I hope you enjoy these fluffy pancakes. If you liked this video, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check out my other recipes. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.